introduce first to you. My name is Kiko, and I will be your host for today na magbibigay ng saya, ng galak, at syempre hindi makakalimutang pangyayari sa araw na ito. Okay, thank you so much, DJ. Okay, so before that, I would like everyone, when I say best, you will say wishes. Okay? Gusto ko yung malakas. Nandito ang ating bride and groom. Okay! Best! Ay, naku, gutom na ata sila. Ulitin natin, ha? Parang dito lang sa pad na yata ito ang kumain kanina, no? So, ulitin natin. Best! Okay. Ating principal sponsor, I think merong hahamon. Alright. So, when I say best, you will say wishes. Best!
Wishes!
3 seconds, matagal. Pero kung mas mabilis, best! 5 seconds, matagal. Mas mabilis, kailangan ko ng mas mabilis. Best! Wala, okay, best!
Wishes.
Oh, very good! Wala pang isang minuto, ha?